you saying to the boats? What are you telling the boats? Bye, boats. See you later, boats. Can you say it? Ooh. Here she is. Where are you going? I'm gonna come see Ava. Hey, careful, Ava. Careful. Do we see any boats? Where are you going? Here she goes. Here she goes. Can you say bye to the boats? Uh-oh. Should we check out the water? Wow. Are we on the river? Alright, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. See you later. Here, give a kiss. Ready?